I'm in my favorite spot. Ay, nako, Lord. Thank you, thank you. Do you know, this is just my joy, being with nature. That's who I am. If you know who Kathy is, how to make me happy, bring me to falls, to like place like this, and just be in nature. That's all I want in life. That's why when I grow old, I just want to be near nature. Wish to have that place, not city life. I'm a rural girl, province girl. Anyway, I'm here in Mall of Asia. That's Big Eye behind me. In every country, I think in London, they also have like that places. They have that what they call Big Eye. Whew. um, if we will not take time and be intentional, we can just really live each day like very busy and no time for dates. That's why it's good if as much as possible as you work with pleasure. Actually earlier I just came from SEC, Security Exchange Commission, to do some errands from the school where I'm working. Yes, but sometimes it's good that since this place is near PICC, where the office of SEC is, it's just good to drop by and visit this place. Yeah, together, of course, with the love of my life. That's my husband, Don. Ay, nako. Anyway, so, anyway, I give you the tips again, ha? Kasi, I want you to also learn from my experience. If you have a corporation or a company where you registered in SEC, sometimes as we plan, we think how to pivot, di ba? During this quarantine or in our new normal that we are facing. So we want to offer new products, new services to the company you are working, or you can suggest, or if you have your own business, you need to amend your articles of incorporation. When you amend, of course, you have to go through compliance monitoring division to check if you have any thing like penalty for the delinquency or something that you need to check if you are compliant with your yearly um, submission of your income tax and in your GIS. So with that, I've it was found out that in our positioning of our board, we have two positions filled up with the same different person. So I have to amend. So when you amend, you cannot just amend in a certain page and you insert it, but rather you have to download the amended full form and then you have it notarized again and submit it. So that's you need to know, because I thought I just need to amend a certain page and submit the correction. And you have, after they receive it, you have to email it back to the compliance monitoring division, because that's how they operate right now, they through email. And then after that, you will receive from them the amount, how much you need to pay for some penalties. So after you receive, then you go to the cashier, back to their office in PICC here in Philippines, Manila, and then you only can pay through cash or manager's check. They don't accept any other check. It should be manager's check. So next time, I hope if you listen to this, you will not have to go back and forth like what I did. But anyway, if we have some experience in our life that we felt like sayang oras, it's okay, take it as a learning experience, because in life meron talagang ganon, no? We learn through our experience, and from there you add value to your credentials because you've gone through something that you know. Learning experience, learning from experience. Okay, so I hope this helps and enjoy the moment Thank you. Bye-bye.